Hello again from Lanzarote. Look where I am. I'm at Cala Suites because Tracey and Phil said, do I want to come around and have a little nose, not only at their room, but around this amazing place. This is beautiful, isn't it?
Oh, it's fabulous.
And you've stopped here how many times?
This will be about our 7th, 8th time.
Expert,
Love it.
expert. So we're here in Playa Blanca, Lanzarote. We're going to go and have a little look around, and then we're going to go and see a room. So come on, let's go and see Cala Suites Playa Blanca. Come on. Right, and Tracey, so we're starting here in the bar.
Yes.
And this is the pool bar.
Yes, it is.
It's gorgeous, so modern. And who's this over here?
This is lovely Diego.
Hello, Diego. How are you?
Superstar.
This is beautiful. Look at this. So you can just chill in here.
Yeah, you can have lunch.
Have a drink, and I love
Snacks
the pool.
up till 4 p.m. and it's open till 10 for drinks.
Really?
Cocktails.
Wow. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. And you've got sea views here as well.
Yes, you have, yeah.
Lead the way. I want to have a little
This
look
way.
at these sea views.
There's a man-made little beach that they've made for the clients.
I've seen that before, this little beach. Wow, look at that. So this is a tiny little beach and it's overlooking, well, the beautiful seaside as well. Look at that. And you've got the little castle there.
Yeah.
And this walkway here leads all the way down to Marina Rubicon, doesn't it?
It does, yes, and then along to Papagayo.
So this pool area is absolutely stunning. You've got beds where you can lie down in. Tracey, is it heated?
It is.
Is it really?
Just slightly, yes, it is. It's not too hot or anything like that, and it's lovely and cool when you're so hot, especially the weather we've just had.
Yeah.
And you go in, it's amazing.
It's
beautiful.
And all the apartments overlook the pool as well.
Everywhere, yeah.
And I can't wait.
Apart from on this side, and they look over the Papagayo.
Ah, so they look over the Papagayo
Yeah.
beaches. Beautiful. And I love all the little places where you can sit and chill out as well.
Yeah, all the time.
It's gorgeous. So are you in one of the rooms over there?
I am just behind the life buoy over there. That's our room.
And we're going to go and have a
Room
look at that.
105.
We're going to go and have a look at that in a minute.
Definitely.
So what else can you show me here? We've got a restaurant, gym.
Yeah, there's a gym, there's a spa downstairs.
Oh,
where you
come
can
on.
go.
Come on.
So-
Take me down there.
Just follow me.
Right then, so reception here as well and plenty of car parking.
Yeah.
Have you
all
hired
free.
a car?
Yes, we have,
So
yeah.
you've got a car and everything. And do you know what I like about this place? Everything's white.
It is. It's immaculate.
It is.
They
It's just,
maintain it constantly.
it's beautiful. Look at that. So reception's through there.
Yeah.
And is there anything else through this way?
No, that's the reception where you go, and they always have some soft drinks and things if you want to purchase them if you come back one evening, if the bar's
fantastic.
closed. And then you can use the lift that goes up, and up there is a room that there's lockers that keep your cases, and you can get changed if you arrive early. or you're
Like a
leaving late.
courtesy room at the
Yeah.
top. Bloody hell.
There's tea, coffee.
That's
Make
a
yourself
courtesy
at
room
home.
with a view, isn't it?
Definitely.
Let's have a little look in there just to see how nice reception is. Just a nice little quiet place, isn't it? Not too
Hello.
big. Hola. Wow,
This is the
look at
reception
this.
area. It's
That
always
is
lovely.
beautiful.
Jet2 do the holidays here, but there's not many other tour operators that do.
Wow, and even in reception, you've got views.
Yeah, it
It's
smells
beautiful.
lovely.
Hello, how are you?
Very good. The staff are lovely here.
Right, and so we're going down there.
Yes,
Right,
down
come on.
here.
Looks like the dungeon, Tracey.
No,
You're taking me down the dungeon. Come on.
it's lovely and cool, especially if it's hot.
So this is a bit of a strange area, really, isn't it?
Yeah.
I don't know what it is, but it's.
It's not particularly used for anything. I think you can just come and chill if
Well,
we
yeah,
ever do get bad weather, which I don't think we ever will.
And
And
sit in
in
the
here, I
shade.
don't know if they're going to start offering if you can do, I
Wow.
don't know, a wedding or
Wow, this
some
is
sort of
nice.
christening or a party or a private function.
It's like a little private bar area.
And it's got a lovely big TV.
But they've never had this open while you've been here.
It's just left like this. You can just
Really?
come- so if you have friends visiting and you want to just come and chill, you can come
But I'm
down
wondering
here.
if they're one day going to do some kind of entertainment or something, or open it up as a bar. Because it seems a waste, doesn't it?
It does. It's a beautiful room.
Bloody hell, you've got a gym as well if you want
Yeah,
to
you
keep
have.
fit. Have you been using the gym, or are you chilling on holiday?
Well, we've used it a little bit.
Yeah?
Not much. A few stretches and everything, and then just to make sure I can walk to the bar and back.
Well,
okay.
that's it. Well, I mean, it's got pretty much everything you need in here, hasn't it?
It is.
And again, super cool as well. It's
Yeah.
really cool.
And
It's
just
got
open.
aircon.
Yeah, you don't have to book your time slots or anything. It's
Just
open, I
come
think,
down.
from 7 in the morning till I think 8 at night.
Well, that's good because a lot of the gyms open late. So this is a spa area.
Yes, it is.
And
Yeah, you get an hour free with your booking, everybody does.
Oh, wow.
Not necessarily a treatment, but I think it's one of the most reasonable spas that I've seen price-wise.
Yeah.
I do believe they're doing something for €55 where you get a full body massage and a head massage as well, which is
all right.
really good.
And you get an hour included with,
Yeah.
with every booking. Oh wow, look at that. It's only little, but it's really nice, isn't it?
Nice.
That's great, isn't it?
It is, it's ideal.
And when you make a booking, is that like private to you? So you like, if you and Phil made the booking, would it just be you and Phil in there?
I believe so, yes.
So you like get a time
We've
slot?
never used because we love being outside.
Yeah.
We love the fresh air, but I do believe so.
Yeah, it's fabulous. Right, let's get back upstairs because I love the views up there. Like you said, it's better to be up there, isn't it?
Yeah, especially with the fabulous weather.
Yeah. Look at that for a view. I'll tell you what, it reminds me like of somewhere in the Caribbean or the Maldives.
Yeah,
it does,
definitely.
doesn't it? It's
Yeah.
beautiful, and I cannot wait to see the room. So, I believe you're on this side, so
Yes,
lead
we
the
are.
way.
Room 105.
Right, let's go
Just
and have a
round
little
this
nose
corner.
look. Beautiful. It's so peaceful as well. And I love, look, all the rooms, look. You've got downstairs and you've got upstairs as well. Do you always stop downstairs, or have you stopped
Always.
upstairs as well?
No, we always stay downstairs, and we'll always stay either 104 or 105.
Wow. Right then, check this out. So this is the room, and Phil is chilling on the terrace. How are you, Phil? You all right?
Yeah, great, thanks.
She done half talk, does she?
Oh, yeah.
She's done an amazing job though. She's done an amazing job. So look at this. This is beautiful. So
Yeah.
you've got your sunbed, you've got your table and chairs. Right, come on,
always
Tracy.
immaculate.
Let me get in here. I want to have a look.
And then
Wow.
have this lovely chill out area that's lovely and cool.
It is really, really cool.
is.
Is it air conditioned?
It is, yes.
So you've got like a little sofa there,
Yeah.
and I'll tell you what, let me sit down on there just to show you the view that
views.
you've got. Look at that. No wonder Phil's out there, look, he's just
Oh, he loves the sun.
he's just taking in all them views. Look at that, so you just sit here on the sofa and just watch the world go by. Beautiful. Right then, so up these little steps,
Yeah.
you got the main bed.
And
Is the bed comfy?
It's absolutely comfortable. Yeah, you get a pillow menu as well.
A what?
A pillow menu.
What's a
So
pillow menu?
So you can choose different pillows.
Shut up.
No, honestly. If you want it with feathers, without feathers, if you've got allergies.
No, you're lying, you're having me on.
No, yeah, honestly, nothing's too much trouble. And it'll come and you can try them and say, yes, no, can I have another 4 cushions, whatever. Nothing's too much
Tracy, I
trouble.
think you're the first person ever to say the words pillow menu.
And fabulous.
I've never heard of that, really?
Yes, honestly, nothing's
Wow.
too much bother for them.
That is amazing.
Yeah.
So what pillows did you go for?
We just like the ones that's on there, to be honest with you. I don't want to be too fussy. I probably wouldn't be able to tell the difference, but no.
Wow, a pillow menu. Well, there
Yeah.
you go. I've learned something new today.
There you go.
There you go. And then obviously a little place there
Television,
for your
yeah.
thing. Television with my ugly mug on there.
YouTube, Netflix, there's the English channels.
You got English channels as well?
Yeah. We've got ITV, the Channel 5, Channel 4, 1, 2, but we just watch YouTube. We only watch you, Dave, on YouTube.
Just Mr. TravelON 24
Yes,
hours a
that's
day,
our
bloody
life,
hell.
yes.
Bloody hell.
And obviously somewhere to put your luggage, which
Yeah.
is nice.
Oh, hang on a minute. We're just sort of literally, we're walking in here and we're straight into sort of the bathroom area.
Yeah.
Wow, look at the size of that shower.
Yeah, there's even a stool in, so you can sit and relax,
You
cool
can
down.
sit and chill. You could get about 5 people in here. And it's got a massive rainfall from there as well.
Yeah.
All your soaps and stuff. You could have a blooming party in there. It's massive, isn't it?
Yeah.
And then out here,
And you get the dressing gowns as well.
oh,
They're
you get all them,
provided.
all
Yeah.
the posh gowns. And all your towels are branded as well. And I love these blue sinks.
They're gorgeous.
I love it. I love it. And the mirror as well. Look, and then you've got the
Makeup
other-
mirror, yeah.
Wow. That is amazing. And this is the question all the ladies ask, because you've got all your soaps and stuff. Is there a hairdryer, or did you have to bring
In
your own?
here, no, in here, this is where my makeup room is.
What do you mean makeup
And the
room?
throne.
You're having me on you. I think you're having me on. What
No,
do you mean a makeup room?
There's a lovely sink in here, so you can wash your hands, do your hair,
Wow.
a fabulous hairdryer,
I tell you what.
sockets, so you can put your straighteners in.
This is a ladies' heaven. So you're right by the toilet, but at least you know
Yeah, it's fine.
you've got your own separate. So like you said, your own sort of
Dressing area.
dressing area. Yeah, that's brilliant. So
There's
this is
a fridge.
This is the entrance, though. Yeah.
Yeah, this is the main door that you come in from reception.
Wow.
And then you've got your coffee machine, your
Yeah.
kettle, your safes all included, not charged like other hotels.
Yeah.
Your fridge, You can use your fridge for whatever you want, your own bottle of water.
Yes.
And you've been there, then you've got your wardrobe space here with your drawers. There's ample.
So this is this is enough for two, isn't it? Really?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Wow. So it's an unusual layout, but I quite like it.
It's nice.
It's
clean.
quite clever how they've
is.
done it. So you've got your wardrobe area here, and tea and coffee facilities, and is that all included?
Yes, it is daily.
Wow. So
And the good thing about here is when the clients come, you don't necessarily have to use the bar. They don't mind you having whatever you want yourself and sitting outside. They give you free ice. If you want a different glass for your own drinks, they'll come and give you them. It's a really laid back area. It is like what my husband said, a bit like an apart hotel, but it's absolutely lovely.
it's really nice.
It really is.
It's really. And what board basis are you on?
We're on bed and breakfast.
You're on bed and breakfast.
And you can go half board, and within that half board, if you wish, you could use your second part from the breakfast. You can have it for lunch. There's a little lunch menu.
Yeah.
Or you can have your evening meal included.
Wow.
So you can pick and choose. And even to be fair, if you want to eat and you just bed and breakfast like us, it's not badly priced.
No. I mean, this is the thing that makes it for me. It's that view. I mean, it's just beautiful. Not only have you got the sea, you've got the pool, and it's just
and on
so
a good day,
peaceful.
you see Forteventura.
Right then, so check me out. I'm on the terrace at the La Cala. Do you know what? I've passed this place so many times. I walk past it all the time, and I think how beautiful it is. And thank you so much for letting me come.
You're welcome.
And Phil's gone to get me a nice glass of posh water in this posh hotel. But there's loads of places here to chill out, isn't there?
There is.
So you were saying on the other side of the pool, there's like big beds?
There's huge sofas, the big 4-poster beds. Anybody can use them. You don't reserve them. You don't pay for them.
Really?
First come,
Because
first
sometimes
serve.
in the hotels, they're like an extra upgrade, aren't they?
No, they're literally there. If you want to use them, you can use them. Anybody can.
Wow.
Yeah, and there's a lovely sofa areas just behind us with all of the umbrellas.
So where do you tend to park yourself?
Here.
Just there?
I just go from here to the pool. Just there out beds in front of us, what we got this morning.
Yeah.
Just there.
But you just keep it...
Yeah, just keep it close.
And it's so quiet, listen to that. I can't hear anybody.
No,
Can't
it's
even hear
lovely.
anybody talking or anything. It's perfect for me.
Definitely. And it's great for people who just want to come away and chill, and there's no entertainment, which suits us. So you can do as much as you like or as little as you like.
Yeah, that's it.
And that's the thing. The staff's lovely. It's only a small amount of staff, and we've been coming since last June. It's the same staff. And that's what we like, the continuity.
Yeah, so they all say hello. I mean, even when we were walking around, they were like, oh, no.
Yeah, they do. They know you, and they work from morning, and then they'll do some of the late shifts in the bar, and they get to know you. And it's great. That's what we like about it. Yeah.
So you've come here so many years now, and these guys have actually bought a place. This is how I got in touch with these guys, because I was walking up Montagna Rocca, and I saw this derelict building.
That's right.
And Phil emailed me and said, oh, by the way, we bought that.
Yeah.
So you're in the process of building,
it's called Bella Vista.
Bella Vista. I tell you what, you wait till you see Bella Vista. We're not going to talk about it now because I've seen the plans, and at the moment it's just breeze blocks pretty much, isn't it? But
It's
you're
just a
building a
superstructure.
whole place up in Montagna Rocca, and I can't wait to see that.
Oh, it's going to be fabulous. We can't wait. We're going to relocate and just live here all together.
Wow.
Bye UK.
You, Phil, and
The 3 dogs.
the 3 dogs, who, by the way, have got a nanny back home looking after them at the moment.
Yeah.
You're off your head, you are, with the dogs.
Oh, that's Philip. That's Philip's pride and joy. But they are lovely. They're worth it.
He said they were your dogs. He said you're the one.
No,
Is it him really?
It's him.
Are they
really.
his babies?
Oh, he loves them. Yes, more than anything. He makes sure everybody knows that. But they are. They're lovely, and we can't wait to bring them over as well.
So what dogs are they?
We've got a British Bulldog called Ralph.
Yeah.
A standard Dachshund called Tommy, and a miniature Dachshund called Giorgio.
Right, they sound like designer labels to me.
Well, that was because the first dog we got was called Gucci, and he was a year old. So when we got him, we literally had to get names to suit him. We thought we'll keep it easy.
Bloody hell, designer dogs. Designer dogs in La Cala Suites. Already, thank you, Phil. Posh water, look, Phil's brought me a posh water. Look at that. That is fantastic. So they stayed at the Cala Playa Blanca, that new hotel that I did the video of.
Yes.
And then you went back again.
We did. We stayed in December for 10 nights when it just opened, and then we went back and stayed for a week in January because we do like the Barcello brand. We've stayed at quite a few of their hotels in Mallorca, etc. It is a big hotel, and obviously there's children that there, but you know, it's one of the biggest ones I would say in Lanzarote as such.
Oh, I think it is. Yeah,
but we do prefer the smaller hotels, but we thought we'd support them, so we did go.
I mean, this is super chill.
Oh, this is brilliant.
This is super chill. And there was one other place that, for those of you that have been following my channel, I call it the Masonic Lodge, don't I? And again, Phil was like, I've stopped in there as well. I was like, no way. So I always pass that little hotel, and these guys were saying that they've actually stopped there a couple of times as well.
It's called the Hotel Embargio, and it's where the Spoon is.
Right by the Spoon.
Yeah.
Casa de Embajador or something like that. Yeah.
If you can speak Spanish.
But I always thought it was like, it's just a very strange place. But you said...
It's very small. It's a boutique hotel.
Yeah.
And there's 2 main suites. There's about 8 other bedrooms, and it's family owned. And when you go, you get your breakfast. That's all it is, breakfast, and it's self-service.
Yeah.
But then there's an honesty box where you can go and help yourself to drinks, ice creams, anything that they've got. You literally write them down. At the end of your stay, they'll give you a price. And I don't even think they actually look to see what you've had. They just make a price up, which is next to nothing.
So you didn't see any like Masonic, like,
no,
you know...
there was nothing. And I did look in the cupboards and everything.
Nothing
there was
dodgy in there?
No, I couldn't find anything.
No symbols or anything like that?
No, unfortunately.
Maybe my conspiracy theory is wrong then. It's not a Masonic lodge. It's just a wealthy family that own it.
They're definitely a wealthy family, yes.
Yeah.
But it's lovely. But this is beautiful. I would advise anybody. And with it being adults only, over 16s, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
There's villas here as well.
Are these ones adults only here?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
There's adults, there's the 3 villas. I think there's a 2-bedroom villa, a 1-bedroom villa, and another 2-bedroom, I think, or there might be another one. And there's 40 rooms, and that's it. It's great. Wow. Sometimes you don't see anybody. Sometimes there's people around the pool. Yeah. But it's so relaxing.
Beautiful. It's beautiful.
Great
Well, listen, I am so grateful for you letting me come and have a look around this place. Cannot wait to see the build of your house. I just cannot wait to see that. And we're going to follow the progress of this new build. You wait till you see this. And of course, I bought you a present. You can't go anywhere and you can't show me around without getting a Mr. TravelOn mug.
Oh, thank you so much.
Don't worry, Phil, I got you one as well, look.
I've actually saved some weight in my luggage for this.
Have you? Now, officially part of the mug club. That I want pride of place in the new house.
Oh, definitely. We're going to have a glass cabinet.
In a glass cabinet.
For sure, with the china.
I might have to get a Mr. TravelOn, some Mr. TravelOn dog bowls as well, maybe.
Oh, definitely, yes.
I've got to.
Harnesses, we'll have them on the dogs.
Well, next time we meet, maybe we'll meet the dogs. And I definitely want to see this new place.
Of course,
so thank you so much. So big thanks from me, Mr. TravelOn. I love showing you around these places, but it's even better when people that are stopping here show me around. Massive thanks to Phil. He's in there hiding out. He doesn't, and I don't blame him.
And he's not camera shy.
I don't blame him. He's got his own Mrs. TravelOn that does all the talking for him, just like me. And that's the way it should be. So there you go. Thank you very much, Tracey. Thank you very much. You've been an absolute pleasure. See you all later.
Bye.
Bye.